Hello guys, welcome back once again. My name is Ernest Mwakon, the founder of Everyday Guitars and Cradles Ghana. The school management system that we're looking at it right now is a very comprehensive and amazing, in fact, the best school management system. And I'm going to show you how to create this management system. This is a series. And if you are watching me for the first time, then this is part 8. I would advise you to look for part 1 or start from part 1 to this part so that you'll be able to follow along. Okay. This software I created this software using Laravel. Okay. So let's continue. Okay. So right now I'm going to log in here as super administrator. Okay. So in our last video, we learned about how to change the currency to USD or wherever you are. If you're in Nigeria, you can change to Nigeria Naira or yes. So right now, let's come back here. Here you will see, let me show you something. Okay, lances. This is where you see your lances, whether it is active or not. So in case your customers are complaining, or your student, your teachers are complaining that they can't log in, you super administrator can log in. Just log in here, come and check here. If here is active, then you can reach out to me. But if it is not active, then it means that that's where the problem is coming from. It's either your license has expired or it has been deactivated. So as you can see, it runs every day. Okay, yes. So this is our license. Okay, so right now let's continue. Now we are going to create HR. Now, this system, it has been done in such a way that when I was creating this software or this system, I realized that the school administrator part is very complex, okay? And definitely to be managed by either a teacher, okay? Yeah, it may be a teacher because it has a very complex interface, okay? So if I allow a teacher to have, to be able to create the HR account and then to create HR account and accountant account, there will be a problem. Yes, because the teacher can decide to assign another person as HR, but the HR account is very, very important. It controls everything in the school in terms of money. So I've made it in such a way that the HR account can only be created by super admin. Okay, because super admin is the one who has a full control over the system, the entire control. The super admin can go to any account. Okay, yes. So that is the motive behind. So this is what we are going to do. So we are going to create a HR account. Okay. Yes, we are going to create HR account. So this is what we are going to do. Go to schools. Now click access. Good. And after that, just go down here. You see create class, add teacher, add student, manage fees, manage users. So click manage users. And under manage users, we can see that we have only one user under a brass matters DHS, and that is school administrator. Okay. We have only one user, and that is school administrator. And I think we did that. We created that in our previous video. Let me log in. Okay, I think I need to check the password. Okay, so you can see this is the super administrator dashboard. Okay, yes. So this is what we are going to do. So I will come here, click add user, select the row. The person is going to be HR and the payroll. So I just want the username to be HR. Okay. Yes, HR. And then the password, I will enter the password here. Good. You can enter the person's name. I will just write HR. The email is very important. So let me make it, yes. In fact, this guy is very lazy. So HR at browsermaterialsdhs.com. Okay, yes. So HR username is HR. Let me make it HR 00010001. Okay, and the full name is HR. I've added the password. You can add the person's mobile number, and anytime you are adding a user mobile number, make sure you add the country code. Okay, yeah, the country code. So Ghana is plus 233. Okay, so make sure you add that so that the SMS will work. Yes, in case the person want to reset the password, he can do that through SMS. Okay, good. So I've added yes, that is everything. Okay, so I will go straight here and add the user, and now it's successful. Okay, good. Let me save this for now. I can come here, close out, then let me log in as HR, log in, and this is the HR dashboard. Okay, so don't worry, we'll go into that. We'll dive into that. Okay, so now let's look at accountant, but let me visit let's create what do you call it, account first. So as I said, you have to go to schools, then you click access here. You'll see user manage users, and we have HR here. So I can decide to add accountant. So let me make it accountant as username, and the email is accountant at DHS. Okay, so the role is accountant. Password, let me add the password of this user. Okay, so that's the same password. The full name is accountant. Don't go and write accountant, write a person's name. Okay, I just don't want to waste time, so I'll click add. Let me save this password for now. So I've added the accountant. It's quite unfortunate that you can't add the attendance officer here because we don't have the attendance officer role here, but you can add. I think we are done for now. Okay, good. So far so good. Let's come back here. So we have let me look at it again. So as you can see, we have added about extra 2 users. That's a very, very important for this system. Okay, so now let me log out. I will say thank you for watching. We will continue in our next video. In our next video, you'll be looking at the school administrator. Now we are done with the super admin area. Now we are going to look at school admin. Okay, so if you have a multiple school, that is where each school is going to configure or set up or do the basic settings. Okay, so I'm going to look at the basic settings that I can do at school admin. So far so good. Thank you for watching. Watch out for the next video.